Tom got here on Monday. Tom got here on Monday. I'll meet Tom next Monday. I'll meet Tom next Monday. Tom was absent last Monday. Tom was absent last Monday. Tom was born on a Monday. Tom was born on a Monday. I hope Tom comes on Monday. I hope Tom comes on Monday. Tom might be home on Monday. Tom might be home on Monday. Tom has no plans for Monday. Tom has no plans for Monday. Tom won't be home on Monday. Tom won't be home on Monday. Tom is often busy on Monday. Tom is often busy on Monday. Tom and I meet every Monday. Tom and I meet every Monday. What did Tom do last Monday? What did Tom do last Monday? Tom is never here on Monday. Tom is never here on Monday. Tom can't meet us on Monday. Tom can't meet us on Monday. Tom should be home on Monday. Tom should be home on Monday. Tom often eats out on Monday. Tom often eats out on Monday. Tom is seldom busy on Monday. Tom is seldom busy on Monday. Tom is coming over on Monday. Tom is coming over on Monday. Tom is always free on Monday. Tom is always free on Monday. Tom flew to Boston on Monday. Tom flew to Boston on Monday. Tom only does that on Monday. Tom only does that on Monday. Tom said Mary died on Monday. Tom said Mary died on Monday. Tom will be 30 on Monday. Tom will be 30 on Monday. Tom is lucky it's not Monday. Tom is lucky it's not Monday. Is Tom always here on Monday? Is Tom always here on Monday? I'll see Tom again on Monday. I'll see Tom again on Monday. Tom is always home on Monday. Tom is always home on Monday. Tom was in Boston last Monday. Tom was in Boston last Monday. Tom won't be home until Monday. Tom won't be home until Monday. Tom seldom stays at home on Monday. Tom seldom stays at home on Monday. Tom isn't usually busy on Monday. Tom isn't usually busy on Monday. Tom already has plans for Monday. Tom already has plans for Monday. Tom isn't usually home on Monday. Tom isn't usually home on Monday. Was your mother busy last Monday? Was your mother busy last Monday? Tom will probably be busy Monday. Tom will probably be busy Monday. Tom and Mary were arrested Monday. Tom and Mary were arrested Monday. Tom arrived in Boston last Monday. Tom arrived in Boston last Monday. Tom arrived in Australia on Monday. Tom arrived in Australia on Monday. Tom wasn't home last Monday evening. Tom wasn't home last Monday evening. Were you busy last Monday afternoon? Were you busy last Monday afternoon? That happened Monday afternoon at Tom's. That happened Monday afternoon at Tom's. Tom babysat Mary's children Monday night. Tom babysat Mary's children Monday night. Monday would have been Tom's 30th birthday. Monday would have been Tom's 30th birthday. Tom got out of jail on Monday. Tom got out of jail on Monday. We expect Tom to leave on Monday. We expect Tom to leave on Monday. Tom stayed at home all day Monday. Tom stayed at home all day Monday. Tom had a job interview on Monday. Tom had a job interview on Monday. Tom has a job interview on Monday. Tom has a job interview on Monday. Tom and Mary broke up last Monday. Tom and Mary broke up last Monday. Tom will be here until next Monday. Tom will be here until next Monday. Tom won't likely be home on Monday. Tom won't likely be home on Monday.